So hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate an AND gate with 3 inputs and using diodes. In this experiment, we are using 3 switches, 3 diodes, few resistors, and LED for the outputs demonstration. So, what is AND gate? AND gate is a digital logic circuit. It gives output high only when all the inputs are high. If any input is low, the output becomes low. So let's check. Suppose this switch is input A, this switch input B, and this one input C. If we click, it says this is 1. Input A is 1 and every other is 0. That means when no switch is clicked, all input is 0. So for 0, 0 and 0, the LED state is turned off. So LED state off. So logical output 0. The logical output will be 1 for LED state on. So let's check for the next one. 0, 0, 1. So C should be clicked. For this one, LED is turned off. So no. LED state off. Logical output 0. Next one 0, 1, 0. So input B, this switch should be clicked. LED is turned off. So 0 for 0, 1, 0, it's off and logical output 0. 0, 1, 1. Both the switch of the next two should be clicked at once and LED stays turned off. So now it's off and 0. Next one is 1, 0, 0. So the first switch only. LED still turned off. So for this one, LED state off and output 0. Next one to the next. 1, 0, 1. First and last switch should be clicked and LED still turned off. So off and 0. 1, 1. First and second switch should be clicked. Let's see. So LED is still turned off. So off. In my lab report of 0. So next one should be, every switch should be clicked at the same time. So let's see. If we click all the switch at the same time, LED is turning on. 3 fingers, switch on. So if I click one by one or two at once, LED don't turn on, but if I click all at the same time, it's turned on. So for 1, 1 and 1, it's on and output 1. So this one is our AND gate, and here this was the circuit diagram we built on breadboard like this one. From Arduino, we are taking the 5-volt input. So that's it. Today we are going to demonstrate a 3-input OR gate. We have built this OR gate on a breadboard using diodes, one LED resistors and one relay switch for the inputs. The relay switch has positioned labeled 1, 2, 3. This represents input A, B and C. An OR gate is a basic digital logic circuit that performs logical addition. Its output becomes high if any of the input is high. If any of the input is high, then output is high, and the output is low only when all the inputs are low. In the circuit, 1 kilo ohm resistor is connected series with the LED. This limits the current through the LED and protects it from damage. This is one LED and 1 kilo ohm. 4.7 kilo ohm resistor is connected parallel with the LED. This resistor provides a proper path for the current when the diodes are not conducting, preventing floating voltage and ensuring that the LED turns off completely when all inputs are low. These are the parallel. Now about the diode. A diode allows current to flow only on one direction. It conducts when the P terminal anode has higher voltage than the N terminal cathode. If the voltage is reversed, the diode blocks current. This circuit, these are the diodes. and this is P terminal of the diode, and that's N terminal. Initially all the inputs are off, so here 1, 2 and 3 all are off, so A, B, C all are 0, and we can see the LED is turned off, so the output is 0. The ABC are closed, light it's not on, it's off, so our logical output is 0. And first we turn on the switch 3, it's the input C. So now we are seeing the LED is turned on, so the corresponding diode C becomes forward biased and currents flow from the diode and the LED, and it glows. So when C is equals to 1, A, B 0, A, B 0, C equals to 1. Here also in C, A, B 0, C equals to 1, and the light is glowing, so LED state on, logical output 1. So again we have turned off the 3, so C is again 0, and C is 0, A is 0, we have to turn on the input B. So input B here is 2. So here we can see P is turned on, A and C are off, and the light is on. So LED state on, output 1. So for the next one, 0, 1, 1, we should turn on the C, number 3. So LED state on, 1. Next one is 1, 0, 0. That means 1 should be turned on, 2 and 3 will be off. So let's turn it off. Turn on the 1. LED state on. 1. Next one is 1, 0, 1. So 1 already turned on. We should turn on the 3. 1, 0, 1 here. LED state turned on. So it's on, 1. And 1, 1, 0. So here 1 is on, 2 should be turned on, and 3 off. That's for ABC respectively, and light is still turned on. So here it will be on, logical output 1. And lastly, all is 1. So input ABC all should be turned on. We have turned on everything, and we can see light still turned on. So it will be on and 1. And if we turned off everything, that will be this one, 0, 0, 0, and it's off, 0. So the experiment comes from the truth table and working principle of 3 input OR gate.